Hello, my name is Idel and you're welcome to my YouTube channel Zio Cooks, where we eat good food and love one another. But first, if you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please use these few seconds to do so, and don't forget to turn on your post notification bell so that whenever I upload a video, you are going to be the first to know. Today on our menu, we are cooking hot pot. Hot pot, which is basically potatoes and other ingredients cooked in one pot. Stay tuned if you want to see how I achieved this dish. Start by peeling about 3 kilograms of potatoes. I am cooking for 3 people, which is going to last for about 2 days. Then wash them thoroughly with clean water. Put in a pot, sprinkle a little salt, add some water, cover and let it cook for about 10 minutes until they are half done. It should not be overcooked. While the potatoes are boiling, let's go ahead to prepare the meat. Wash 1 kilogram meat, cut them into smaller sizes, then add in a pot. Add salt, garlic and water. Cover and let it cook. So back to our potatoes. Use a fork to test if they are half done. At this stage, they are still in good condition. They are almost done, and further cooking is just gonna make them soft and can turn into mashed potatoes, which is something we do not want for this dish. Place the potatoes carefully on an oven rack and bake at 170 degrees Celsius till they are solid on the outside and almost golden brown. While our potatoes are baking, let's prep the vegetables. So over here, I have already sliced some vegetables: carrots, green beans, white broccoli, peas, blended garlic and 1 small pepper, about 7 large tomatoes already sliced, 1 medium-sized onion and spring onion. Feel free to add any other form of vegetable that you like. Next step is to parboil your vegetables for about 2 to 3 minutes. Heat some vegetable oil in a pan, about 1 dl. Add onion and stir fry. Then add tomatoes, cook until the sour taste disappears. Then add meat with the stock. You can taste the sauce with a spoon to know if you are going to add more salt, because we already boiled the meat with some salt, so the stock already has some salt in it. You want to be extra careful at this stage. So I am gonna add 1 teaspoon of salt again, 1 teaspoon seasoning cube, 1 teaspoon powdered red bell pepper. Add parboiled vegetables and gently stir. Add blended garlic and pepper. And lastly, add potatoes and mix until well combined. You can see how the potatoes are solid, and you can stir with full confidence without the fear of them breaking or turning into mashed potatoes thanks to the baking. Potatoes hot pot is ready to be served. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next videos. But please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you!